I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat, beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat, beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta. I gotta.
Hey Nick, how are you?
Hi Drew, how are you? Welcome to Skybar.
Thank you so much. Now, I mean, since I'm here and I'm talking to the owner, I need to have like the Nick special.
Yes.
So we
Oh, you heard about those?
I heard about the
those.
special.
Okay.
So
I'll do one of those.
those.
So, we'll do a nice passion fruit martini.
Ooh, I like passion fruit. Passion fruit is my favorite actually.
We've been trying to use as much as possible local produce, local fruit.
Good, good.
Passion fruit martini.
Nice. As you're doing that, I mean, I'm just
Nice.
going to find out a little bit about you. How
Sure.
long have you been in Ghana for?
Just over 5 years.
Just over 5 years? Is
Yep.
that when you like started Skybar?
Skybar started 5 years ago exactly. Exactly today.
What inspired that?
I made a connection. I met somebody who invited me to come here and set up Skybar for them. So yeah, that's the reason for being here.
When is like the best day at Skybar? The best day to attend?
Usually Fridays are the best.
Why
Fridays are the best, but we're trying to organize different entertainment on different nights. So we have DJ on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
We have live music on Wednesday and Thursday. And yeah,
What
that's.
about Mondays? Mondays people
Mondays and Tuesdays we're having a rest. We're all having a rest.
like that. What's with the martini go nice with rum or?
No, this is with vodka.
Okay, cool. What is like the cocktail that everybody gets from here?
We have a couple of. Well, we sell a lot of classics like mojitos and passion fruit mojitos, pineapple mojitos. But we also have a few of our own signature cocktails.
Okay, so what would you say is the most like iconic? What's your favorite part about Skybar? Yes.
Live music has to be live music. You can't be live music in this environment. You can't be.
Do you have like a favorite genre?
Sorry.
Do you have a favorite genre?
In music, well, I like deep house. It's difficult to perform live, but lately I've been enjoying more and more R&B and hip hop. So tonight we're having Soul Black, two guys who are performing live R&B tracks, which you're gonna hear later on.
Well, this looks good. I'm excited.
So.
Lego, let's taste it.
There you go, Drew. Hope you like it.
I'm gonna rate this out of 10.
Hope you enjoy it.
Cheers.
Cheers. But you don't have to pretend.
No, I'm not pretending. This is amazing. Oh wow. Okay, no, this is too good. Sharing is caring. Okay.
Sure.
I got some friends over here. We had
can
to
order.
teach me how to make this. Like, I need to be just as good as you. But I'm coming round.
You wanna come over, please?
Let's go.
What am I meant to say goodbye. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. They're all saying together. Let's go. Come on. What am I meant to do without your love? What am I meant to do without you? Without your love? What am I meant to do without your love? Your love. What am I meant to do without your
Okay, cool. First,
Number one, grab a glass.
any glass or what? Is
We're
it
using
martini
for this-
glass.
That one. It's old style martini glass.
Oh, nice.
And some gosh ice.
We're gonna cool the glass.
Gonna cool the glass.
Okay. Because it's too hot in Ghana, man.
Of course.
Let's cool it. Right.
Put that on the side.
Come back
Then
to
you're
that
mixing
later.
in the Boston glass.
Okay.
Now, we're using some sugar syrup.
Sugar syrup.
Yeah.
How much? Just a little bit, or I can go heavy?
Stop. Then, lemon juice.
You know how you guys do that?
Go, stop. Not bad, not bad, not bad. You've done this before, wait.
No.
No,
This
you've
is the
done it
first
before.
time.
Come
First
on.
time, I promise.
We have here freshly squeezed, fresh
Freshly-
passion fruit.
Do we get this from Ghana? Like the passion fruit straight from Ghana? I love that. Or a little bit more.
Tiny bit more. Yep, that's it.
I love passion fruit.
Then we're adding just a dash of passion, just passion
Ooh.
fruit, passion fruit liqueur.
Passion fruit liqueur.
A
Passoir.
tiny dash.
Okay. Oops. Okay.
Half of that.
A little bit more.
Yeah. That's, it's very
Is it
nice.
strong?
It's nice, but it's very strong.
I feel like tasting it.
It's not strong in alcohol, but it's strong in flavor.
Okay.
Tiny,
So you can't
tiny.
do shots with that? No.
Personally, no. Personally, no. I think tequila is better.
Oh, okay, cool. We'll do
Then
one
we're
of
going
those.
to use
Absolute.
citron. Actually, no, sorry.
Let's.
No, we're going to use the other one.
Which one?
Kettle one. Kettle one has to be kettle one. Sorry.
Okay.
That one.
Vodka. Can you
Then we're
make a
gonna use-
martini with rum, or does it always have to be vodka?
I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat, beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat, beat. I gotta hit the
Okay.
Now, leave it like that.
Okay.
The way to break the seal, hold it like that, and then you tap it.
got it.
Did you do? Oh, like magic.
Try.
You're such a magician.
Try. Now,
You
from,
see
the,
my
from the
hand?
other side, from the other side.
Here. Okay, cool.
Yeah, you got it?
Voila.
No. You leave that one next to the balls 4 times stringless. Done. Get it with the crushed ice.
Ooh. We're gonna pour it over this.
No, there it is.
Okay, because our ice is cooled now. Our glass is cooled. Rusty, ready?
No.
No, not
You do
enough.
this. No, you do this.
Okay. We gotta get that firm grip, guys. And
Stop.
you don't want any seeds. Just like that. Oh wow, where's mine? Does it look like mine? So this was A
I gotta hit the beat.
and B.
Sneak and Drew.
Nick it. Oh, I should be like, cheers, honey.
Well, okay.
Okay, no,
gonna-
you
I'm gonna
taste it,
try
yeah,
yours.
and you tell me how well I did. Perfect, I like that.
They're
Cheers.
bringing anything to the table. Bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able. I do my own bits. Limited edition, no missing classic
Out of
shit.
10.
I know that you feel.
Okay.
Tell me.
Feel mad, cold nights feel heavy.
It tastes the same.
In the heart of the city.
Yo, I'm a pro, y'all.
Drew's gonna start with us tomorrow.
Oh, wow,
It's,
lovely.
6 p.m. Yeah?
6 p.m. I'm gonna be here. You're sexy bartender. Call me waitress Drew. Thank you. Well, we're about to enjoy the live bands because, you know, today is the day that you recommended.
Just finishing the sound checks.
I'm excited. Well, I'm taking this to my friends, the waitress.
Did you fix it?
I made it myself. You never seen me do it over there. Don't lie. Don't lie. It's good.
It's not straight all the seeds.
No, the season's good for you.
I get to it.
Yeah, every single one. So this is not for none. Promise to say oh na na na. Have all bad days oh na na na. I'm hard to love oh na na na. God knows I need you oh na na na. And when push comes to shove, forever is never enough. When I'm with you and don't fall apart, you make me feel like I have a higher beauty is my gift tonight. I don't wanna go another night. And when push comes to shove, forever is never enough. So this is my phone, na 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 phone, na 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 slow.
Ain't no sunshine when you gone. She's always on the road. Okay, man. Let's do it from the top.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. She's always gone too long. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I remember when I first saw your face and how everything changed that day. I remember trying hard to ignore the signs, but I couldn't and I didn't know why. I remember when I ran so far, like speeding trains in the passenger car. And I remember that you still came back for me. I tried to run and hide, but you were by my side. I can remember thinking you were crazy, love, but I don't mind. You wouldn't let me go, you let me take it slow, and now my heart